So I'm making clam strips out of these, which are called seafood mushrooms. They're very inexpensive at the Asian market, about $1.50 a bag, $1.99 a bag, something like that. Okay. And I think I'm going to go ahead and make 2 packages because we'll probably just be like crunching on them. You know, we'll be at the beach for a few hours. So we're just going to crunch on them. So I'm going to make a couple bags. This is what the package looks like. Snow white mushroom, sometimes called seafood mushroom. This one says seafood mushroom. The other one says snow white mushroom. And they are the same thing. Sometimes you have to check that out with mushrooms. They have different names, like Baby Bella is cremini, and trumpet is king oyster. You know, have to check those things out so you know what you're eating. But this is going to be my clam strips. I'm going to season it up like clam strips, okay? Now, in here I'm going to put my wet batter. So I got a cup of regular all-purpose flour. I'm going to put that in my bowl. And we're just going to season it up. Onion powder. Garlic powder, tablespoon of each, and a little Old Bay seasoning. Now, add water so we get a pancake-like consistency. And I'm also going to add my seaweed. I have some a nori sheet. Now we made our seaweed dust, okay? I'm going to put that right inside of the wet batter. Give us that ocean flavor, seafood flavor. That's the consistency you want of the seasoned batter. I'm going to use some cornmeal, and this is medium grit. And I'm going to put a little more seasoning in, not as much. A little onion powder. Now, Old Bay, I'm just going to put a teeny bit because I already put a good supply in there. So that's it. I'm just going to, I got my wet batter that's pretty well seasoned, and just a little bit of seasoning because it has salt in it. So you don't want to be over salting yourself. Okay, so we're going to start our cast iron, and I have some grapeseed oil here. For frying, has a nice high smoke point, so you want a good frying oil. So just going to take our seafood mushrooms, put them inside our bowl. And this is going to be our quote unquote vegan clam strips. Just going to go ahead and cover it. Okay, so we got these covered up pretty good. Pancake-like consistency, wet covering that's well seasoned. I'm going to put some in here, and I'm going to shake it up. So I got a little flour and water, seasoned batter, and then a lightly seasoned cornmeal batter. Or you could get the kind, the fish fry seasoning that's already seasoned up. You could get that as well. So we're going to put them in. These are called seafood mushrooms. That's the same. These seafood mushrooms. Isn't that pretty? These are vegan clam strips made of seafood mushrooms. This is them. This is the seafood mushrooms. But we're not done. Let's go peel them and go. It's very ripe, so that's good. Always wash off your skin. And put it inside of my hand chopper. Nice and ripe pieces. Okay, so we got the mango. I'm going to take some jalapeno, not too much jalapeno. Now I'm going to blend it up. This is going to be our dipping sauce. Let's taste it. I'm going to put a little lime. And the other half, I'm going to put some salt in it. Mix it up. Just taste it. Let's see how it tastes with one of my strips.